Now it's time to delve into panels. We will import objects into our library and how to organize the library. We'll also go over saving our workspace so every time we launch Flash, the workspace we are most comfortable using will be set by default for us. The panels are on the right-hand side of the screen. The default panels are the Color panel, the Swatches panel, and the Library panel. The Color panel contains some of the same tools as the toolbar, such as the Stroke tool, the Fill Color tool, Black and White tool, No Color tool, and Swap Color tool. We also have boxes to change the RGB values. RGB stands for the three colors red, green, and blue, and are used in combination to create all the colors we see on our monitor. By changing the RGB values, we can come up with any color we wish. Think of it as mixing paints in a bucket. By mixing these three colors in precise numerical combination, we can create any color in the spectrum, including different shades of gray. The number range is between 0 and 255. With a value of 0 in all three color boxes, or the complete absence of color, we have black. And if all the values equal 255, we have white. We can change the colors by highlighting the number and typing in a new number, or use the up and down indicator arrows beside the specific color. Feel free to come back here and experiment with the numbers and the scroll bar at a later time. Just like the Tool panel, at the top of the panels are two small arrows. Click them. The panels minimize and free up screen space on our work area. Click the Color tab. We now have a Color panel flyout to select our colors. To return it to the Minimize panel, simply click the two arrows on the top of the flyout panel. Minimizing your panels keeps them at your fingertips, but frees up screen space when you're working with multiple panels. One of the most important panels we will use is the library. The library is where every symbol, bitmap, movie clip, and button will be stored for your Flash file. Click File from the menu bar. Scroll down to Import. Import to Library. Select the image file named Killer Whale and click Open. Our file is now in our library. Drag the file onto the stage. In the timeline, we can see the image was placed in Layer 1 in the only keyframe present. Select the New Folder button from the bottom of the Library panel. We have a new, unnamed file folder. Name the folder Images and press Enter. The library reorganizes itself alphabetically. Using folders, we can organize all our imported files by type, such as images, buttons, symbols, and movie clips. If we were not going to use the image in our movie, we would select a file in the library and use the Delete button at the bottom of the library. Since the library is such an integral part of creating our Flash movie, we will be talking more and more about the library as we proceed through the lessons. But for now, let's move on and talk about working with text in our Flash files.